In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Microsoft Project. If you've got items in your plan that no longer belong, I'll show you the simplest, safest ways to remove them, plus a few tips to avoid surprises. First, open your project in Microsoft Project on the desktop. Most people work in the Gantt chart view, which is perfect for this. Find the task in the task list that you want to remove. Click once on its row to select it. You can click directly on the row number along the left or on the task name. You'll know it's selected when the entire row is highlighted. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct row, especially if tasks are grouped under summary tasks, or if you've collapsed and expanded sections. With the correct row selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Microsoft Project will immediately remove that task from your plan. The list will shift up, and the remaining tasks will automatically renumber so your task IDs stay sequential. This is normal and nothing to worry about. If the task you removed had no other dependencies or special tracking, that's all there is to it. If you prefer using the mouse, there's an alternate method that does the same thing. Right-click on the selected task row to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Delete Task. The result is identical to pressing Delete. The task disappears, and the rest of your schedule adjusts accordingly. A few important notes to keep you in control. If you delete a summary task, all of its subtasks go with it automatically, so double-check before you remove a summary line. After any deletion, Microsoft Project renumbers the remaining tasks, which keeps your plan tidy but may change the ID you were used to seeing. If a task already has actual work or tracking data that you want to keep for historical purposes, consider inactivating it instead of deleting it. You can do this from the Task tab by choosing Inactivate, if that option is available in your version. This hides the task from the schedule's calculations while preserving its data. And if you make a mistake, act quickly and press Ctrl+Z to undo the deletion right away. That's it. Open your plan, select the task, delete it with the keyboard or right-click menu, and use Undo or Inactivate when you need a safety net. Thanks for watching, and stay organized as you keep your project plan clean and focused.